In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration exercise 3.3, question 15. And question we have integral of cos x divided by sin x multiplied by natural log of sin x dx. And this exercise I have told you is based on substitute method. So we will substitute t is equal to natural log of sin x. dt is equal to 1 divided by sine x, right, for this. And then this is the derivative of natural log of sine x, d by dx. We will take the derivative of sine of x dx as well. So dt is equal to, here it will be cos x divided by sine x dx. Now see this cos x divided by sin x dx. Instead of this, we can write down dt, integral of dt, right? And natural log of sin x we have supposed is equal to t, so divided by t. Now the question is very simple. Again, one more time, cos of x divided by sin x into dx. This portion is equal to dt. So see, the function is in the denominator and the derivative is in the numerator, so it is very simple. It is equal to natural log of the variable which we have t plus c. So the value of t is natural log of sin x. You can write down, put the value of t here. So it will be natural log of, instead of t we can write down natural log of sin x plus c, and this is the answer. Right, if any point is not clear, without any hesitation, you can ask me, and thanks for watching.